Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and this is my recap of the top few videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, gold did end up pushing up pretty much all day, and I think that's because we had interest rate news this evening, but this move actually happened a long time before the news came out, because I believe that everybody pretty much knew that they were going to lower interest rates by 25 basis points, which is exactly what they did. So this move was priced in since very early, like really before even before London session. So originally I was thinking this was a wave 4, but I think what is actually going on here is we did end up making 3 waves of A. I think we're probably now going to make 3 waves of B, probably up to one of these two Fibonacci levels, maybe more likely to 78 or maybe to 61, because that's definitely a top bottom situation right there. And probably eventually back down for wave C. I think this is most likely a wave 4 of wave 3 on like the daily time frame range. So once this ABC is over, I do think it is going to continue the uptrend, but I think we're in a wave B right now, which is most likely a correction to the move down, wave A. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.